Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Amber. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so for today we are going to try something really cool, okay? I am going to try out waveformers. Okay, it's been a while since I've tried these out, okay? So I am going to do a waveformer set, not on my hair, but on a wig, okay? A Hergivenhair Kinky Blowout unit. Yes. You guys know I've been rocking with Hergivenhair for years now. I don't know how many years it has been, but I've been rocking with them since 5,000 subscribers. Their units are definitely not the most affordable units, but you really receive quality hair that lasts so long. I made a video with all the hair that I received from them a while ago, so definitely check out the video. The link is here on the screen, because in that video I showed you guys some units that I received like a couple of years ago and they are still in like perfect shape and whatever, so definitely check out the video, okay? But anyway, so this is the unit that I received. Okay, so it comes with elastic bands and some additional wig clips if you need that, but most of the times, like, I'm good, like I don't need all of this stuff. Okay, so this is the unit. This is Kinky Blowout unit. This is 20-inch, and the hair is like extremely thick. This is like a kinky straight unit. You know, this is exactly my hair but blow dried. Exactly my hair. Even the length, this is my hair but blow dried. If you have seen my previous waveformer video, you know that the style didn't last long, and that's mainly because, you know, showering and the steam of the shower, laying down with my hair and then putting my hair up in a scarf and whatever, it just messed up the curls. So I was thinking, like, if I do this on a wig and just put the wig off at night, then my waveformer set will last so long. Yo, I was like, that's genius. That's a great idea, girl. And can you guys see the hairline is pre-plucked, which is amazing. You know, this is very beginner friendly. You don't have to do much. You don't have to do a lot of plucking or whatever, because this is all taken care for you, which is amazing. You know, can you see how natural that is? So yeah, this is definitely an extremely natural unit. And just showing you guys, this is the back of the unit. They just made sure that if you want to do like hairstyles or like braids or whatever, this has a very realistic scalp effect, which is amazing, guys. Like, this unit is the most natural kinky straight unit I've ever tried. Like, I have a unit already like this from Hergivenhair. People ask me all the time, like, oh, is this your hair? And I say, yeah, this is my hair, because, you know, hello, my hair is just exactly the same. Exactly the same. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to install the waveformers on this unit. I'm not going to straighten this hair or whatever. I'm just going to wet the hair and install the waveformers on this hair. So it is the next day, and I let this unit completely air dry, and I also cut the lace. And this is completely dry, and I'm really excited to put this on my head. I'm not going to show you guys my whole install process, because I am going to do a video soon on how I prepare my hair for wigs and whatever, so stay tuned for that video if you want to know how I fit all my hair and how I prep my hair for wigs. Okay, so I'm busy installing this unit, and I just want to show you guys. Can you guys see how natural this looks? I'm still in the process of trying it to look natural, but it already looks natural, so I don't have to do anything. This looks like my own hair. Okay, don't mind my nails. I need a new set, I know. Ooh, shiny, nice. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is going to be such a bomb hairstyle. I know already, like, oh my gosh. Ooh, my hair is so soft. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so bomb. Yo, doing this on a wig is even better because, yo, my results didn't come out like this. Just look at the shine. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Except, you know, the top part is a little messed up. My hair is very, very lightweight now. I'm still going to make the parting a little bit more natural just by applying some concealer because, you know, yeah, just a little bit though, not too much. Yes, so much better. If you do this on a wig, you can just put it off at night and just let it sit there and nothing will happen to the hair. Because if you do this on your own hair, seriously guys, my hair was frizzy, one big frizz ball the next day. The last time I tried this on my own hair, I did all of that for nothing, you know. And now you can just do it on your wig and you can let it air dry. You get to sleep so comfortable because, girl, you're just sleeping on your own head without these things in your head. Like, girl, that is definitely the thing that convinced me to do this, okay? You get these bomb results, but without all the effort. See how natural this hairline is? Look. It's like completely the same as my hairline, right? See? That's my hairline. That's the wig. You know, I really, really like the results because my hair is so soft. You know, when the hairstyle makes you feel like this, let me know in the comment section. Do you like the results? Would you ever try this on a wig? Yes or no? So thank you so much, Hergivenhair, for sponsoring this video. I really, really like this unit, but you guys know that already. How many Hergivenhair videos do I have on my channel? So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in my next one.